In Ford Figo, the clutch engagement and disengagement happens because of the hydraulic function. It's used the hydraulic master cylinder. So in this episode, let's understand how to replace the hydraulic clutch master cylinder in Ford Figo. Welcome back to another episode of PassionateTrainer.com. The choice is yours. In this case, the clutch cylinder comes in this position. And this is the position of the clutch master cylinder. This one is the pedal. This is the pedal. Pedal is coming here and it is connected to the clutch master cylinder. So this one is the clutch master cylinder, we can see here, and it's mounted with the help of two bolts. So you can see two mounting, one at the top, one at the bottom. So we have to remove that from here. Here one linkage connection also there. You can see here, this one is the linkage connector to the clutch pedal, and the opposite side position is kept under this brake oil tank. You can see here the power brake unit just nearby. This one I can show you by my hand. So let me try to show you with my hand. So that one is the clutch master cylinder unit, you can see there. So two hose connections are there. This one is the input hose connection from the brake oil tank, and this one is the master cylinder, clutch master cylinder output. From here, this is going into the clutch unit. That means the clutch slave cylinder, which is kept on the gearbox. So we need to remove these two hoses. Okay. So this one is the mass airflow sensor, MAF sensor of the Ford. So we disconnected first this cable before dismantling this. So now the area is clear to remove all the hose pipes. What we need to do, we need to remove this clip here. From here we can remove this clip. Let me try. I'm holding one hand with the camera and another hand, so difficult for me, but I'm just showing. But from here you can see, here you can remove this clip like this. After removing this clip, you have to pull back this pipe. It's the same we have to do with this suction pipe also. This one is the delivery. So after removing the clip, when we pull back, little bit oil will come out, so we need to we have to use some bags or something, some bottle or something which is available for. And after that I removed both the pipelines. This one is a suction and this one is the delivery. So now you can clearly see the real condition. So here one o-ring is also there. You can see here, this is the o-ring. So if you could change this o-ring, that will be good to get a good life. So now we need to remove this cylinder from inside. So to get easy access, what I'm going to do, I'm going to remove this panel. So this is the part of the dashboard, so we need to remove. So this one is the panel. Board. Now this is the clear vision from here. You can clearly see. This is the clutch pedal. and you can see the master cylinder connection. I'm going to remove the entire unit. While removing, the direct shooting is difficult here, so after removal I can show you all the components. So far we removed, you can see here this bolt. Actually first we used the spanner, after that we are removing with the hand. So the same, it's a 10 mm spanner bolt, and the same bolt was here also. So 2 bolts of 10 mm we removed, and a small clip was there like this. This clip was at this side, means the link which connecting the pedal and the cylinder. So this clip also I removed from here. So now let's remove the cylinder. So we removed the cylinder, but we can see the spring is there. The pedal spring is connected with this master cylinder, so we need to remove that spring connection so that we can take out this to master cylinder. So we tried many options, but it's removing. So finally, to remove the spring, the spring is one side of the spring is connected to the master cylinder. Again, the back side, it's difficult to remove the spring without removing the pedal, I think. So let's try by removing the pedal. So we got, this is the way it is connected. Here you can see one side I'm taking it out. So this is the master cylinder unit. One side is connected to this pedal, so it was very difficult to remove the spring inside. That's the reason taken this pedal also. So this is the way it is connected. So I need to replace this master cylinder. This is the hydraulic clutch master cylinder of Ford Figo. So here we can see this one is the linkage which is connected to the clutch pedal. So when we press the clutch, what happens? This linkage will go inside and pressurize the clutch fluid inside these tubes. So this one is the line, section line, which is connected to the tank. In this model, the brake fluid and the clutch fluid both are same, connected to the same tank, and this one is the delivery, which will be connected to the clutch slave cylinder, which is inside the gearbox. So this is the clutch master cylinder. So in the next episode, let's understand how to fit it back and do the air bleeding process. Please subscribe this channel if you not yet subscribed. Thanks for watching. Wish you all the best. The choice is yours.